Welcome to another episode of B3 Outdoors. This morning we are duck hunting on Lake Eufaula. Hopefully we get some ducks. It's been kind of slow for the past couple of weeks. You know, we've kind of learned how to hunt public land in public areas. So hopefully with a little luck, we're in a good spot and they come in this morning. But there's only one way to find out, and we will see you guys on the flip side as soon as they start coming in, hopefully. All right. Alright guys, so we just completed the first morning of our adventure here. We hunted yesterday afternoon, but we didn't bring the cameras because we were kind of scouting / hunting at the same time. We unfortunately won't be able to hunt this afternoon for ducks. We have to meet up with some friends for lunch. So that kind of, takes care of that afternoon. But tomorrow morning we'll be back at it. We're going to keep this video going because we only had 2 bluebills come in this morning. We had a lot more come to us, but at the last second, decoys weren't set up just right or something, and they just busted before they committed to the decoys. But you live, you learn. We'll make some adjustments in the morning, and hopefully we can limit out, which is only 4. Two per person, 4 bluebills altogether.
Is it?
Yeah, it's only 2 per person. No more than 6 in possession today.
I thought it was 4 per person.
It's 2.
Huh. I was wondering why you kept saying, we only need 2 more, and I was like, no, we need 6 more, but okay.
Nope. Needed 2 more. So the two singles did commit, and we got those. I know for sure I got 1 on camera. The other one I wounded, and it flew off a little bit. I had to go chase it. That's not on camera. But hopefully tomorrow will be a little better, and we will see you guys tomorrow, right? Alright guys, so it's the second morning and the final morning. This is actually the last morning we're going to be able to hunt this season. We just got everything set up, decoys out, the boat's put away, and we're about 20 minutes from shooting light, or shooting time I should say. So hopefully with a little luck we can limit out on something this morning, maybe
maybe kill a variety of species, but only time we tell it's supposed to be a bluebird sunny day, which is not always the best with duck hunting, but take what you can get. It is very cold though, as you can tell. But guys, we're gonna put the camera down and we're supposed to switch to the GoPro because hopefully we can get some action very soon. See you then.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that time lapse of the sunrise, because that's the only thing that happened today. It was just a slow morning. I don't think there was enough traffic on the water to, you know, get the ducks stirred up from the middle of the lake and whatnot. It's very cold. So, unfortunately, that was our last opportunity to hunt this season. Now we wait till next season, but until...
we wait till turkey season.
I know, well, we're going, yeah, turkey season, which is what, a month and a half away? So we have a month and a half for the turkey videos to start coming in. I know there's only one duck video, but hopefully next year, we kind of had to get the feel for things this year. Next year we should have a lot more duck videos, and we should hopefully have a little bit of luck. But until next time, guys, make every adventure one to remember.